I tried making $1000 a day from Google News for free, and this is how it went. In this video, I will show you step-by-step guide on how I did it so that you can do it too. This thing doesn't even need any type of investment, but you just need to give 1 hour a day to do it. First of all, you just need to come to Google and search for Google News. And at the top, you can see many topics here like US, world, local, business, technology, etc. So these are the niches which you want to choose according to your interest. For example, I will be going with the health niche here, and here you can see many other sub niches. We will go with the fitness one. Now you need to choose an attractive article that will interest people to read it. Here I will go with this one. I did 30 lateral raises every day for 2 weeks. So you just need to copy this article. Then you need to go to an AI website called Spinbot. This basically rewrites the entire article so that you don't get any copyright issues. We'll just paste it here and click on basic spin. As you can see, it has rewritten the entire article here, but you need to make few changes here so that it doesn't seem AI generated. For this, you need to read the article and make few changes by yourself. The other way to rewrite this article is by going to Google Gemini. Just given a prompt to rewrite the entire article here, and this will do your job. Then you need to copy the rewritten article and paste it in your Word. You can save it anywhere as you like. Then you need to save it. Now there are so many websites that pays you for writing an article. For example, here we have Eating Well. This website specializes in many topics like health recipes, special diets, diabetes, and much more. You need to select the topic on which you have made an article. Then you can publish it here. To publish on Eating Well, you need to go to this website called creativewritingnews.com/eatingwell. Here you can see the Eating Well website pays you $1 per word. So that means if you have 800 words, then you can make up to $800. Now you just need to scroll a bit down. So this is an important step that you must follow. You need to write the guidelines first. As you can see here, your article must not be more than 350 words. Just keep this in mind. And if you scroll a little bit down, you can see the email IDs on which you need to send the article to. Just copy these email IDs, go to your mail and paste the email IDs here and make the subject to article submission. So this is the email template which I use to send the submission of my article. You can just copy this up, and next you need to add the Word document in which you have saved your article. Just click on the attach file, then find your Word and then paste it here. Then you need to click on send. But you need to keep in mind that this website does not accept all the emails. You need to make SEO friendly high quality articles which will help you get selected in this website. And to correct, this website takes almost 1 or 2 weeks to accept your email. So you need to have enough patience here. But here's the thing, I have 3 other websites that will help your articles get selected fastly and you can start making money. So the first is longreach.com. As you can see here, they pay up to $350 per reading list. And for the personal essay, they are paying up to $500. So here is their email through which you can contact them and send your article. And the next one is arp.org. Here you can read the writer's guidelines and you can see the topics on which you can post articles on. So here is the email that you need to use to pitch your article. And at the last, we have Popular Science. On the top, you can see they have many topics on which you can make articles on. The best performing niche is the technology one, in which AI is involved. And I will share you the email address on the screen of this website. But as I have said, keep in mind that they do not accept articles from everyone, because there are thousands of people sending emails believing that they will get accepted. You need to make articles such that you stand out from the others, and it should be SEO friendly with high quality. So I hope you like this video. Please do share, subscribe and comment for more such videos.